Alright guys, we just got here to this pool. This pool maintenance. You see all that dirt that's building mud, sand right now. Yesterday we came, but I wasn't supposed to do the maintenance in it because I had another pool. And today's the day I do this pool. So it has to be vacuumed. And right now I'm gonna check the filter. The filter is actually real dirty. So what we're gonna do is turn it off. Look at that. Out of beetles. Now I know the PSI was like on 15 pressure, and that skimmer, that filter down there, and the skimmer, I need to clean out. So now the way we do it, so whenever we open that the filter, we actually put a hose in there, and the skimmer, don't push it in, twist it. We just twist it in there, that way you won't put a lot of pressure in it. Make sure it's all the way down, and then we can open that filter down there, and we can clean that out, and that way all the water won't be pouring out. That's the way I do it. That way not a lot of water will come out. So we connect that hose, see that, and then we open this filter down here, that filter down there. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna brush the pool. Record it like this. Don't touch nothing else. Come over here. Just watch me brush it. I'm gonna go all around the edge. See all that water, that dirt coming out? You want to press down. Yeah. All around to the edge. That way all the dirt can go to the middle. Come over here. See that? All that's gonna get vacuumed up. You wanna brush the stairs, the steps. And you wanna add water to the pool, because see how this, where the line's at? Keep your eyes right here. You just want to brush all the way to the middle. Just brush down. You can record like you over here. I can go out. I'm gonna go all the way around. Can you see the dirt today? Hmm. All the way around. Oh. Dog camera. And now we're gonna. There's some toys in there that you want to take out before you vacuum. Just don't move too much. That way, all that dirt won't go back to the edges. I don't know if you can see that dirt on here. Trying to get it with his feet because you don't want to get his hair wet because he has gel.
I'll get my hair wet.
Just plain. Right now we're vacuuming the pool. Just take your time. You don't have to rush it because all the dirt will go back to its own place, like around the edges. And you don't want that, so then you have to brush it again. The reason why I'm in the pool is because I don't want to get outside. Rattlesnakes, tarantulas. How's the pool looking?
It's looking pretty good.
So just take your time doing the pool, vacuuming the pool. Thursday service on the pool. I was doing the filter in the bottom.
Dude. It looks pretty good.
I was done doing this. Clean it out.
I didn't really hear you. Okay. Straight.
Oh, we the whole pool, not just half the pool. There you go. Do you have my light on? I was gonna record earlier, but the sound was overheating my phone, so we couldn't start a.
I turned the flash off.
I don't know. Don't need to mess with it because it's gonna probably turn off the whole thing. Does the pool look better? Over here, right?
Yeah.
And you can pause the video. Okay, right now we're just gonna do it around the steps, and under this mat. That mat's a little rough. Okay, you just want to do the steps, that way you're going to do the pool and you leave the steps all dirty. Check the filter?
Deposit.
Yes. Alright, so now we just finished vacuuming and we finished backwashing. We backwashed and we rinsed and back to filter. So now we're just filling up the pool again. And we just adding, now we finished vacuuming. And now we cleaned we rinsed, we vacuumed the pool. We backwashed. The PSI was on 15 pressure. And we rinsed and went back to filter, and now it's on the 10 where it has to be. So now we're actually done with this pool. I couldn't record because the phone's overheating because of the sun. It's like 104 outside. And my feet are burning, and the pool looks like way better now. Looks way better, and I gotta get that out. And I have to fill it up and go test the water and go get the chemicals. And the other pool, I'm gonna take you in a minute. I do the chemicals yesterday, and the pool is probably cloudy right now, so I gotta go get that pH balance and just throw it in there. And tomorrow it'll be done by Friday. The other pool will be done by Friday when they need it. So it's gonna be clear. It's gonna clear up. It's gonna clear, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to go check the other pool because it's cloudy, and we're gonna go check it out, and we go get the pH balance so we can clear up the cloudiness, and we can go get the chemicals for this pool today. And they close at 5, so we gotta get going right now. Right now we're just gonna net all the little leaves and everything, that way it can look good and come back. So that's it. I'll come back with y'all. I'm gonna take y'all with me in a minute. All right, we're here in the next location. I'm gonna show you what. Yeah, look, it's clearing up. It's just that we don't have the vacuum. It's not. Yeah, it looks clear. We don't have the net right there, is it?
No, we lifted.
You need to take out those pucks because it's gonna burn that vinyl.
How does it open? Hey, look at all that algae. Is that dirt or algae?
That's dirt. So the pool's actually good.
Look, there's one over there too. There's a puck over there. One right there, 2 right here.
The pool looks way better now, but
Just gotta get those pucks out.
you see all that dirt. The hose is not working. It's not. We would have actually vacuumed it, and it would have looked better. That's the only thing that sucks. You can see if the skimmer's working. There we go. Yeah, man, we don't. The vacuum did not work on this. So all the dirt's gonna stay in there. All right, guys. We're having trouble with the skimmer, and I actually opened it all up and tried to fix it because the pressure of the skimmer is not coming. It's not sucking enough. Well, it looks like it's sucking enough because of the return. But once you use the vacuum, it just shuts off. So it might be the skimmer, you need a new one, or you might want to change it to a different, like a sand filter, because those the skimmers, they're too small for these pools. And look how it's just there's dirt inside. It's like a nice little bunch because I actually brushed all this to move it to one side, and maybe the vacuum would work for a little bit and I can vacuum some of it, but it didn't even work. And actually my vacuum hose is too big for those, and I tried using a regular vacuum, but I don't have one. So this pool actually looks good, but it's just that stain right there. And I'm gonna try to come back and use the vacuum, the one you can actually suck up water in. And I actually fixed the skimmer like more better. You can actually hear it now. It hears like way better. And I changed the filter because the filter was too strong, was too dirty, and I cleaned it, and it still was it wasn't even powerful. And now that I put a new one on there, it actually works better, but it's still the whenever you vacuum it, you use the middle one, the middle return, and then you got the receiver, the returns. You got two of them, so you use the middle one, and right when I connect it, it just stops. And I also tried to connect the vacuum hose to this right here, to the skimmer right there, to right here, and connect and use the hose, but it still wasn't even powerful enough. It's just that they're not made for that. And so yeah, this is my video right here that I just those the Intech skimmers, they're not used to vacuum. They're just used to the small pools. This is like a 13,000 gallon pool, something like that. And yeah, well, the man wanted it clean by Friday, so it's clean, but just that stain right there, he knows that his skimmer doesn't work, so we tried everything to vacuum that, and I actually took like 4 hours to do it today, and I tried out everything. It don't work, but hopefully with a skimmer and a return, it will pick that up. And it's just like plain dirt under there. But I'm gonna come back, try to see him come back and vacuum it with the vacuum I have, the one that you can suck up water with, the one you just connect, and I'll be back with you. Okay guys, we couldn't get the skimmer to work to vacuum the pool, so I really recommend you to get one of these. They sell them at Walmart. I don't know what it's called. It's HART. That actually sucks up water. You can actually put it inside the pool, and I recommend you to get one of these, and it's gonna work, guys. That's how I'm gonna vacuum this pool, the dirt. And it's just gonna be cloudy, and we're just gonna add the pH balancer, and then it'll be good. I'll be back with y'all to show you the results when I'm done.